What's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. Now today, we're gonna do one of my famous unboxings, okay? And it is going to be my first smart TV. My other one that was hanging by a thread, I couldn't even tell you how it happened, but it hit the floor, cracked the screen, it was done. So, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do an unboxing of a Roku smart 24-inch TV. Okay, and they also make them in 32 inches if that's something that you're interested in. Okay, I'm a minimalist, so, and I really don't need that. So, okay, and this is going to be HD, see, 720p. Okay, they also make them in 1080p. All right, so before any more delays, let me say hello to my subscribers, existing and new. Also, hello to all my viewers. I ask you to subscribe, hype, comment, and give this video a thumbs up, or any of my videos. And check out my playlist as well. I have a lot of videos in my playlist I think you'll like, of all types. Alright, so let's get on with the show, shall we? We're going to do an unboxing. Alright, let's do the unboxing. This is Dalton. This is my channel. We're going to do the unboxing of the Roku Smart TV 24-inch with voice remote. Alright, take this out. Here's the voice remote control. And if you can see on the side, it has all the beautiful little volume up, volume down, mute button, all of that. Okay, and it comes with batteries too, so. These are the stands. Super easy to put together. You're just going to need a screwdriver. Now let's get to unboxing this sucker. Easy does it. Okay, and it'll even tell you which sides to open and which side not to open. Okay, try to make it as simple as possible for you. This is the how-to manual, so they don't just throw you out to the wolves. And here's the screws for that setup, okay, for your stand. Now most of these, yeah, that's pretty, very lightweight, nice. See that? Nice, lightweight. Cord in the back, attached, and you see where you can put the points so they can stand up. Super easy. Now, I know what you're looking for right here, and there they are. All the plug-ins. Let's see here. You have 3 HDMI cables. See that? And I believe Yep, USB port. That's what I thought. You got the USB port over there by the headphone plug-in. But you can also plug in like a Bluetooth speaker. It supports all the Bluetooth stuff. But if you have a plug-in speaker or plug-in soundboard, it can support that as well. Okay. Very nice. You see how I'm handling this? It's so lightweight. It's really nice. These are the speakers down here. Okay. Now, most of these come with the ability to mount them to the wall if you wanted to. Very nice, very nice. Okay. It's made by Roku. This is not the Walmart brand. This is made by Roku. It has the Roku software on it. And you get a lot with it. 1 second. Show you something else over there. What do you get with it? Probably ask, right? I'm gonna pop my TV up here. There you go. Now, you already know this is a 24-inch. But what you don't know, that this particular TV costs $99 on Amazon. And it's free shipping if you have Amazon Prime. And if you have any type of webfare or anything like that, you can get Amazon Prime half price. That includes you get all the music and you get all the movies and everything. Okay? So, now, this has Dolby Audio, HDMI, so you can connect it to your computer, your laptop, your console, your gaming console, or anything that uses HDMI, which is kind of cool. Okay. Now, comes with 500 plus, you heard me, 500 plus free channels on the live TV. Okay? Yes. It's something for everybody out there. As I already told you, it comes with the voice remote. On that remote, batteries included. Okay? Now, this is one thing that people are going to be asking about, so I'm going to let you know. It works with Roku Smart Home, Apple AirPlay, yep, Apple Home, Alexa, and Google Home. All that right built in, baby. All right. Now, what I like about it is all the HDMI ports you have. Okay, the ability to switch from classic or whatever type of gaming you do to, whatever you use to stream your content that has a HDMI cable connected to it. That's cool. And no, you don't get 2, you get 3. So that's plenty for me. Trust me, that's really, really cool. And the sound is okay. It's not bad for the price. As I stated, you get this for $99 on Amazon. That's right. Amazon Prime, you get it delivered free. You can even get it the next day. There's a little button up there when you're ordering and say you want it the next day. Click that. You can get it the next day, which I'm very happy for because I was freaking out when I don't even know how it felt. And I knew it was time for an upgrade, but dang, I was, I was still holding on to my old faithful, and that sucker hit that ground. I'm telling you, I don't even know how it happened. Maybe the universe said, quit playing around, it's time for upgrade. If you don't do it, I will. Oh, man. Now, what I want to also tell you is they do have specials going on. They do have specials. So, let's say you really wanted a 32 inch, right? For like 3 days, they can have special where you can get that 32 inch for $99. The same price you get this. All right? Now, it'll last like 3 days and then it'll disappear. And then they'll bring it back again, like a week or 2 weeks later, where you can get the 24 inch or the 32 inch for $99. And you can get it delivered the next day. So that's not bad. Especially, let's say, for instance, you have animals, you have a special needs child or something like that. They have a tendency to break these. $99 for most people, it's a good investment. And it's not going to completely break the bank, for most people. Other people, like me, there was times I had to save up to get to that point to get one. So, all right. So this is the unboxing. This is a good deal. Energy efficient. I just want to let y'all know. And this is my unboxing. And I am Dalton. And I should talk to you soon. Peace.